Dear children, so lenses, some more numericals will do today. Already we have did so many sums yesterday. So one more sum. First question. So everywhere, first question. So question is like this: a convex lens. He only said it is a convex lens, happy, of focal length 10 centimeters. He's asking at what distance we should keep an object so that it forms a real and inverted image 20 centimeters away. I think I told you this sum children yesterday. I told you this sum. Next question. So second next question. An object is placed on a meter scale at 8 centimeter mark. Children, this is a meter scale. Meter scale means 100 centimeters will be there. 100 centimeters will be there. Okay. Object is kept at 8 centimeter mark. From the beginning, 8 centimeter mark, object is kept. Okay. And focused on a white screen placed at 92 centimeter mark. Here 92 centimeter mark screen is placed. You can see you get and converging lens is kept at 50 centimeter mark. Question is find the focal length. Okay. If find the position of image, if object is shifted to the lens at a position of 29 centimeter mark. 29 mark. If object is shifted to 29 mark. Okay. So like this question is right, children. First one, very easy, children. So see here. So you should have again ray knowledge, knowledge, ray diagrams knowledge. See here, the distance between a lens and object is focal length. So 50 minus 8 is 42 centimeter. And this object is image is forming on the screen. 92 minus 50 is 42 centimeter. So object distance is 42, image distance is 42. When object is on 42, image is also coming on 42. Can anyone tell what is the heading for ray diagram? What is the heading for ray diagram? When object is 42, image is also 42. Only in one case it happens. Only in one case it happens when object is kept on 2f. When an object is kept on 2f, image also you will get on 2f. Only in that case. When object is kept on 2f, image also you will get on 2f. So indirectly he is saying 2f is 42. So f is 42 by 2. F is 21 centimeter. This is knowledge of ray diagrams method. No sir, you do and show normally means I will show you. U object distance is always minus. V is forming this side. Object is this side, image is this side. So you have to take plus 42. Object side is minus, other side is positive. So 1 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by 42 minus of minus 1 by 42. 1 by F is equal to 1 by 42 plus 1 by 42. 1 by F is equal to 2 by 42. 1 by F is equal to 1 by 21. Reverse both the cases. F is equal to 21 centimeter. This is formula method. This is knowledge of ray diagram method.
Yeah, sir.
So now next question is, instead of 8, he bought to 29 centimeter mark. It seems 29 centimeter mark. Now what will be the object distance? 50 minus 29. How much amount? 21 centimeters. Focal length will not change. Focal length will not change. How much is that? 21 centimeters.
21 centimeters.
What is image distance? Object distance is always negative. Convex means focal length plus. Because we got plus only, see here. Convex means plus, that's all. Now 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by 21 is equal to 1 by v minus of minus 1 by 21. So 1 by 21 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by 21. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 21 minus 1 by 21. 1 by v is equal to 0. So v is equal to 1 by 0. V is equal to infinite. If ever you remember, when object is kept on f, image is formed at infinity. If ever you remember, when object is on f, image one goes through focus, other goes through optic center. They both go parallelly. Image forms at infinity. Real, inverted, magnified at infinity. What is object distance? 29 centimeters. When object is on f, image is real, inverted, magnified at infinity. When object is on 2f, what are the characters? Anyone? You practice, you said no?
It
When
falls um
2f only. When
at
object is on 2f, image also comes on 2f. One ray parallel principal axis goes through focus. Other two optic center does not deviate.
directly.
Okay, what are the characters? Real, inverted, same size on 2f. When object is kept on 2f, image also comes on 2f. Real, inverted, same size on 2f. When object is on 2f, image also comes on 2f. So like this, you have to analyze and you have to do. No sir, you want magnification also. This I will show you the magnification here. Same size. Why same size? See here. 42 by minus 42, that is minus 1. Minus indicates inverted. 1 indicates same size. 1 indicates
Same size.
same size. Okay. Next question, sir. Second question, children. Please take active participation, children. If not, you will get sleep after some time. I'll be telling you will be sleeping. That's all. So an object 2 centimeters height. An object means size of object is 2 centimeters, placed at a distance of 64 centimeters from a white screen. Okay, so this is screen. This is object. The distance between object and screen is 64. Normally, object distance means they should give from the lens, but they are giving from the screen. Okay, while screen on placing a convex lens at a distance of 32 centimeters from the object, lens is kept at 32 centimeters from the object. This is object distance. Okay, from the object, it is found that distinct image of what is the focal length and size, etc., etc., everything, everything. So children, again same question, children. If this is 32, what will be this? Anyone?
32 again.
32. When is this possible? When object is kept on 2f, you
2f.
get image also on 2f.
2f.
2f is equal to how much? 32.
32.
So f is equal to 16. That is plus 16. When object is on 2f, what are the characters of image? Real, inverted, same size
Same size.
on 2f. Real, inverted, same size on 2f. Just to confuse you, they were giving that's all, children, but questions are same. Okay. One more question, children. If you are having confusion, I'll do one more question. See, children. One second, children. Okay. Question is little bit indirectly given, children. Question is indirect. So see the question, children, like this it is. Third question. Okay, they said that uh, um, the focal length and nature of mirror means you don't have, we have lens only we want now. So lens sums means yeah, a 4 centimeter tall object. A 4 centimeter size object is placed on the principal axis of convex lens of focal length 20 centimeters. Object distance is 15 centimeters. So we have to find out V, H dash, nature, ray diagram, magnification, measurements, everything we should check. Okay, chalo children, anyone wants to say or shall I little? Since it is a convex lens, we should take plus 20. Object distance is always minus.
Minus.
Okay, what is the lens formula, children? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1.
Minus 1 by 1.
It's 1.
Okay, 1 by v. Okay, so 1 by 20, 1 by v plus 1 by 15. This goes here. 1 by v is equal to 20 minus 1 by 15. 1 by v is equal to 60 is the LCM, 23 is the 15 for the 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 60. So v is equal to minus 60 centimeters. Okay, v is equal to minus 60 centimeters. Okay. Okay, when v is equal to minus 60 centimeters, magnification, v by u. Magnification is minus 60 by u is how much, children? U minus 50. So magnification you are getting plus 4. Plus means what, children? RH. 4 means what, children? Highly magnified, 4 times magnified. Plus 4 means 4 times magnified, children. Plus 4 means 4 times magnified. And what is the formula for h dash by h is equal to v by q? H dash by h is how much, children? 4. And v by u, how much you got? 4. So h dash is becoming 16 centimeters. Initially it was 4, it became 16, is a lot of magnification. Now children, question of heading for ray diagram. F is 20, 2f is 40, object distance is 15. Can anyone tell heading for ray diagram? F is 20, 2f is 40, object distance is 15. Where 15 will come?
I'm not sure, sir.
Between F and 2F. 15 will come between F and 2F. So heading for ray diagram is between F and 2F. Between 20 and 40, our 15 will come. So whenever object is between F and 2F, this is optic center, this is F, this is 2F, this is F, this is 2F, this is how much? This is how much, children? This is 20, this is 40, this is 20, this is 40. This is object distance is between F and 2F, means image distance compulsory beyond 2F you get. One ray parallel this axis goes through focus. Underlight ray going through optic center will never deviate. So object distance was initially 4, later it became 16. Object distance was initially it is 15 and image distance became 60 centimeters. So it went 15, 60. So what are characters? Real, because it came this side. Okay, and also next one, inverted because it is below the principal axis, magnified because 4 became 16, and where is formed beyond 2f. 16 is after 40, that's why beyond 2f. Why you got minus, children? Why we got minus? Minus we should not get. Why we got, anyone? Why we got minus? We should not get minus. Why we got minus? Because object is this side, image is this side. Other side is plus. Now why we got minus, anyone? Oh my god, how it happened? Minus of minus plus 1 by 15, 20, 15. Yes, children, how we got minus, children? We should
The
not get.
15 is not in between 20 and 40, right?
Ah, yes, 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 that's correct. Yes, my heading for ray diagram itself is wrong. Everything I did wrong. Yes. Then what is 15 is where, Nana? You can tell no? Between?
It's before 20,
It's
sir. So
before
it's
20.
F and
Between
O.
F and O.
yeah.
Yeah, Nana, I did here wrong. This is correct only. My ray diagram went wrong. That's why you should know ray diagrams. If you know ray diagrams, what we did is correct or not, you will understand, children. So between F and O means one ray parallel principal axis goes through focus, other goes through optic center. When you extend them back, you will get somewhere here. This is the image. So object is say the image also this side. That's why you got minus 60. Object is this side, image also that side. And magnification plus we got means erect. Erect means virtual, erect, and magnified. That's why we got minus 60. Where object is there, image is also forming there. And it is erected. That's why plus 4 times magnified. Virtual, erect, and magnified. Like that, you should analyze, children. If you know ray diagrams, only that you can do. That's why I'm telling you. Please learn ray diagrams. Okay, children, thank you for telling. Okay, next one, fourth question. Okay, so question is like this, children. Um, okay, children, next question. An object of size 4 centimeters is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters from a concave lens of focal length 10 centimeters. Everything you should do, children. Everything you will do. Yes. Concave means plus or minus of focal length. Anyone? Minus. Object distance is
Minus.
always minus. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v minus of minus 1 by 20. So minus 1 by 10, 1 by v plus 1 by 20. This goes here. 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20. So what is the answer, children? 1 by v is equal to 20 is LCM minus 2 minus 1. 1 by v is equal to minus 3 by 20. V is equal to minus 20 by 3. Okay, children. So answer 6 point. How much is that, children? How much it will come, children? So V is equal to, how much it will come? Minus 6.67 centimeters. Now magnification. Let's do magnification, children. Magnification is V by U. V, how much you got, children? Minus 20 by 3. Take fraction only, okay? U is how much? Minus 20. This gone. Magnification is plus 1 by 3. Plus means erected and 1 by 3 means diminished, but less than 1 diminished. And h dash by h is equal to v by u. H dash by h is how much, children? 4. V by u, how much you got? 1 by 3. This goes here. H dash is equal to 4 by 3. That is 1.33 centimeters. Means 4 became 1.33 means diminished. Now, children, who will tell heading for a diagram? We will see. F is 20. 2F is 20. Object distance is 20. Who will tell heading for a diagram?
Then it will come at 2F again, right?
F is 10, 3F is 20. Yeah. So on to F you are getting a.
Sir, if you said the object and 2F is 20.
Focal length is 10. 2F is 20. Object is also 20.
Yeah, so the image will again come at 20.
Yeah, then why we got different answers? Oh my goodness. Okay, children, no problem. What is the small thing? This is a concave lens, Nana. No headings will be there. Anywhere you keep, you'll get same answer. Anywhere on principal axis, concave lens, no, Nana. Anywhere you keep no heading, only for convex lens, headings will be there, Nana. So here
Okay.
you keep anywhere, you'll get the same image. So what is happening? Optic center. This is F. This is 2F. No need of F and 2F, children. Anywhere you keep, this is 20. This is 40. This is 20. This is 40. Even though we are keeping object key, one ray comes like this, undergoes refraction when it goes to focus. Other light ray going to optic center. Here you will get image. What is the object distance, children? 20. What is the image distance, children? 6.67. Original object is how much, children? 4. Later it became how much? 1.33. Virtual, erect, and diminished. Because object and image are on same side, you are getting minus sign. Object and image are on same side, you are getting minus. Why you got plus? Because image is erect. Why you got plus? You got image is erect. 1.33 plus means erect and diminished. 4 became 3 means it is a diminished image. I told you, children, red diagrams plays vital role in doing all the sums. Okay, children, I hope. Shall I erase this? Shall I erase this, girls?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, next one more sum, children. Okay, you have to follow, children, because if you do now during exams, you need not to practice the sums only. Happily you will be. If not during the exams, unnecessarily nervous you will be. Next question, children. A divergent lens. Divergent lens means concave lens, children. Divergent lens means concave lens. Why means when light rays are going, they will diverge like this. That's why they are called concave. Divergent lens has a focal length 20 centimeter. At what distance object should be kept of a height 4 centimeter? So you will get image at 10 centimeter. Okay. Yes, children. Focal length we should take plus or minus or minus, and image distance plus or minus or, children. Image distance. Image distance we should take plus or minus or.
Plus.
No, because here you are getting image where object is there. Image also you are getting. You have to take minus, children. In concave, where
Oh,
object
yeah.
is there, image is coming there only. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So minus 1 by 20 is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by u. This comes here, this goes here. 1 by u is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 10. How much is that, children? 1 by u is equal to 20 is the LCM. 1 minus 2. 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by 20. U is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Okay, object distance always negative. Compulsory. If you get answer also, you get in negative. The magnification formula is V by u. Magnification is minus 10 by minus 20. That is 1 by 2 means plus 0.5. Plus indicates erect. 0.5 indicates diminished. And last, h dash by h is equal to V by U, H dash by 4, this is 4. V by U, how much you got? 0.5. So H dash is equal to 2 centimeters. So 4 became 2, means virtual, erect and diminished. 4 became 2, means virtual. Virtual why? Because object and image are on same side. And image distance is how much, children? Image distance, object distance is how much? Object distance 20. And image distance is how much, children? 10. Object size is how much? Object size 4. And image size is how much, children? Measurements compulsory should draw 2. Like this you have to do, children. I'm telling you, how much you practice, that much you become perfect, children. Okay, next. Next. Okay, so next one is like this, children. What is the question means? They're saying that at what distance from concave lens? Is asking concave lens. At what distance? Means object distance is asking. Of a focal length 20 centimeter, a 6 centimeter tall object should be kept so that it forms image at 15 centimeters. Girls, anyone wants to say this one? Concave lens minus 20 and see, children, in concave lens object and image are on the same side,
Same side.
so that's why you should take minus 15. Now can anyone tell at least substitution? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. At least substitution.
1 by minus.
Yeah, this comes here, this goes there. 1 by u is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 15. 20, 50 are the same as 16. 23s are 15 fours are. 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by 60. U is equal to minus 60 centimeter. Okay. So that is object distance. We will get in negative only. I told you many times. Compulsory. Okay. So next. Okay. So h dash magnification is equal to v by u. Magnification is equal to minus 15 by minus 60. Magnification is plus 1 by 4. Magnification is plus 0.25. Plus means erect. 0.25 means diminished. Okay. So h dash by h is equal to v by u. H dash by h is how much, children? 6 is equal to this. How much you got? 1 by 4 much, children? 1 by 4. This you keep it here. H dash is equal to 6 by 4. H dash is equal to 3 by 2. H dash is equal to 1.5. Initially it was 6, it became 1.5 because concave lens anywhere on principal axis only one type of image you will get. What type of image you will get, children? Virtual, erect and image, because concave lens wherever you keep object you will get only one type of image. Like this, here you will get virtual, erect and imaged. Okay, original object distance was how much, children? Okay, 60, and image distance is only 15, children, from the optic center. Original object size is how much, children? 6, and image size is how much, children? 1.5. Okay, virtual, erect and anywhere on the principal axis is the heading. Okay, anywhere on the principal axis. Like this we have done, children. So anyone have any doubts, children? You can ask me.